把这个液晶放在时间条上，看这个都有标。
After you clean the screen, you put the screen on the tray.
对好之后
And
按这个红色键吸气开关，把它固定住。
and you press the red button, intake air button to absorb the screen on the board.
在第二步就是粘胶，导电胶。
The next step is to paste ACF glue.
裁直下来。好，粘好之后，再用加热。
After you paste the ACF glue, then heat it.
拿一薄纸垫在上面。
We usually use a separator machine, the heat board, to heat it.
我拿个东西压个5秒钟。
You use a lot of paper, put on it, and then you use a hand to press it for about 5 seconds.
OK。再把边上一点点残胶给除掉。
Then you remove the reluctant glue.
把上面一层膜撕掉。
Then remove the upper film.
最后一步对位。
Then counterpoint the flexible according to these 2 screens.
对位的时候，这个对位标塞在这个排线这个孔里面。
磨一下。
粘住。
这个。
对。
This is basic counterpoint object. You should according it to counterpoint the flex cable. Then you move the line into the white line. It's a black line. The white line. You put this line into the white line, then it's okay.
这时候再看这边，把线路全部对齐。
Then you see the other screen to counterpoint according it.
所以就是拿棉签压一下，固定住。
The same. After you have done a counterpoint, you use the cotton stick to press.
再下
Make
压。
it adhesive to the screen. Then start it to press it.
13秒。
For 13 seconds.
好，对完之后再检查一下你没错位。
Check it.
没错位基本上就 OK 就可以了。
Okay.